Alright guys, here is how to unlock all 8 free skins in Marvel Rivals. Do hit subscribe and let's get right into it. So let's see what we've got here. First one is the Spider-Man skin, and that is only for PlayStation users unfortunately. And if you want Penny Parker's Venom outfit, you need to be subscribed to PlayStation Plus. Next, we have both Storm and Star-Lord's outfits, which are earned through completing the heroic achievements in the game. 200 points for Storm, 400 for Star-Lord. In the Battle Pass, we can unlock Hela's new skin without purchasing the luxury Battle Pass, you just need to progress. Iron Man Armor 42 is available via redeeming this code. For Moon Knight skin, you need gold in competitive mode. And if you want a cute skin for my boy Jeffrey, you need to complete the Winter Celebration event. And I think that's a wrap. Thanks for watching.